January 16th, National Printing Ink Day. That is a subject dear to my heart. We in the shop use Van Son rubber base, and ink is, well, it's similar to a lot of things, but primarily that has 2 or 3 components to it. There's what we refer to as the vehicle, and that's merely a material that carries the other ingredient, which is the pigment. So it's kind of like paint, it's kind of like, well, it's kind of like ink, which I always say is like paint that's gone bad because it's a lot thicker than ink. As it comes out of the can, it's way too heavy to be applied to type, which is why we always roll it out on the ink stone to get it to the right consistency and the right heaviness. The third component of ink is what we refer to as modifiers. In other words, we can make the ink more sticky, less sticky. We can make it flow quite easily, or we can make it so it really takes a lot of effort to make it work. Additives can also affect the drying of the ink. You can speed up that drying, or you can retard that drying depending on what you're doing. So that's basically the short course on ink.